Are you ready for workshop 13? Here we're going to learn about writing the final thought. But what is a final thought? After rephrasing all your main ideas in the summary, you'll need to write a final thought. Your final thought is simply your opinion. Most of your essay should be information and facts. However, you may say your own opinion at the end of the essay. For example, if the essay question is, what is the most important thing you can do to help the environment? Your conclusion paragraph might sound like this. There are so many ways to help the environment. We can recycle, reduce energy use, and pick up garbage on the street. There are tons of factories and cars and all kinds of machines adding to the pollution of our air and water. However, I can't simply order all those cars and factories to stop. Therefore, I should clean up the garbage around me, my neighborhood, and my school to make a difference. Now here's where we put our opinion. Do you see it in purple? I believe doing these daily cleanups will eventually help reduce the garbage on the planet. To make a better tomorrow, let's reach out and pick up some garbage. Do you see how this is my opinion on what I can do to help the environment? We could give our opinions on all kinds of things. For example, I could give my opinion on what I think is the best color or what my favorite food is. An opinion is what you believe, but it's not a true fact and it's not something that everyone believes. As you can see in the purple sentence above, we can add our opinion to the end of our essay to make it more personal and meaningful. Here are some useful transitions to start your final thought. You could say, in my opinion, or I believe. You could also say, I think, or I feel, or to me, and then give us your opinion. Remember, you should use these transitions at the beginning of the sentence, not in the middle and not at the end. Now let's practice writing our final thoughts. Let's start with practice 1. Use the word boxes to help you complete the final thought for each question. Your first word box is best, world, and apple. The final thought is, I think and blank is the blank fruit in the blank. Your final thought should say, I think an apple is the best fruit in the world. Now let's look at number 2. Your word box is worst, pet, and believe. The final thought says, I blank having a dragon for a blank is the blank idea you could have. Your final thought should say, I believe having a dragon for a pet is the worst idea you could have. Time to move on to practice 2. Write a final thought for each topic using the hints and phrases from the last page. Topic number 1, Superman. Your hint is, best superhero ever. Now remember, on the last page, some transitions you could use are, in my opinion, I believe, I think, I feel, and to me. An example of your final thought could be, I think Superman is the best superhero ever. Now let's look at number 2. Your topic is strawberry ice cream. Your hint is gross and terrible. An example for your final thought could be, I believe strawberry ice cream is gross and terrible. Are you ready for practice 3? Write a final thought for your own essay topic. Remember, the essay question is, do you think winter or summer is better? Here's an example of a final thought. I think winter is great and summer is too hot. Now it's your turn. Practice writing a final thought for your question, do you think winter or summer is better? Great job! Now we can add this to our conclusion. Let's practice writing the essay conclusion. Start by rewriting your rephrased thesis from Workshop 11 and your summary from Workshop 12. Then rewrite your final thought from the last page. The question is still, do you think winter or summer is better? The rephrased thesis from the example in Workshop 11 is, winter is my favorite for a lot of reasons. The summary from Workshop 12 was, in the winter, there are no annoying bugs because they are all frozen from the cold weather. Since it can only snow in very cold weather, snowboarding is only possible in the winter. Also, everyone looks forward to getting exciting presents from Santa on Christmas. Now, we are going to write the final thought from the last page. The example was, I think winter is great and summer is too hot. Now it's your turn. Rewrite your rephrased thesis from Workshop 11, your summary from Workshop 12, and your final thought from the page before this. You are almost done writing your conclusion paragraph, but let's check that we are doing everything correctly so far. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Did I copy my rephrased thesis from Workshop 11? Did I copy all my summary sentences from Workshop 12? And did I copy my final thought from the page before? If you checked them all yes, you're ready for the next lesson, and I'll see you there.